Dear learner, I hope you are fine. Today we will discuss the words kan and tahe kan in Santali. Kan means be or am is are and tahe kan means was or were. When it is used as a finite verb, then the form of the verb will be kana. Now look at the following sentences attentively. Indoin mache kana means I am a teacher. Ale dole pathwa kana means we are students. Alindo ling gate kana means we are two friends. Unidoy majhi kana means he is majhi. Now look at these sentences and discuss them in detail. In the first sentence, in doin machet kana means I am a teacher. Here in means I. Do is a particle. In is the short form of in. Machet means teacher and kana means am. So the sentence is constructed as I am a teacher. Now look at the second sentence attentively. Aledo le pathwa kana means we are students. Here in the sentence, ale means we. Do is a particle and le is the short form of ale. The next word pathwa means student and kana means are. Here ale is the subject in the sentence. It is a first person plural number exclusive. According to Santali grammar, there are two forms of the first person plural number. Ale is used when the listener is not included with the speaker. Now we will go through the third sentence. Alin dolin gate kana means we are two friends. Here alin is a first person dual number exclusive. It means we two. It also has peculiarities in Santali. According to Santali grammar, there are two forms of the first person dual number. Alin is used when the listener is not included with the speaker. Kana is the principal word in the sentence. The word kana is formed by adding a to kan. Now go through the fourth sentence for further discussion. Unidoy majhi kana means he is majhi. Here uni means he. It is the third person singular number. Doi, the word is formed by adding ui to the particle do. Majhi means majhi. Now notice the structure of the assertive sentence. Subject plus particle plus subject marker plus name of holding position of the subject plus the principal verb kana. Now look at the negative sentence pattern with the principal verb kana. For examples, am do rusikan bang kana means you are not an artist. Unku do khelodiye ko bang kana means they are not players. Unkin do daktar kin bang kana means they two are not doctor. Uni do nachoniyai bang kana means she is not a dancer. Now look at these sentences and discuss them in detail. In the first sentence, am do rusikam bang kana means you are not an artist. Here, am means you. Second person singular number. Do is a particle and it defines the subject. The next word rusikam is formed by adding am to rusika. Rusika means artist. Now the word bang is the negative form of the kana, which is the finite verb. Now we will go through the second sentence. Unku do khelodiye ko bang kana means they are not players. In the sentence, unku is the subject, which means they. You already known in the use of do. Khelodiye means player. Ko is the short form of unku. It is the third person plural number of distant. Now the word bang kana is the negative form of the verb. Again, look at the third sentence. Unkin do daktar kin bang kana means they too are not doctor. The word unkin means they too of distant. Do is a particle and it defines the subject. The next word daktar kin denotes two doctors by the short form kin. Kin is generally used to distinguish a dual number in the third person. Bang kana means are not. So the word bang kana is the negative form of a verb. In the fourth sentence, uni do nachoniyai bang kana means she is not a dancer. Here the word uni means she. In the sentence, uni is the subject. Do is a particle and it defines the subject. The word nachoniye means female dancer. As the word nachoniye refers to the feminine gender, we is a subject marker. The next word bang kana is the negative form of a verb. So in the above sentence, uni denotes the feminine gender. Generally, uni refers third person singular number regardless of gender. Now, notice the structure of the negative sentence. Subject plus particle plus name of holding position of the subject plus subject marker plus negative word plus the principal verb kana. Now we learn the usage of kana as the auxiliary verb. Look at the following sentences. Uni Kolkataয় seno kana means she is going to Kolkata. Unkin orakin ruar kana means they are returning home. Benai raka kana means the sun is rising. Unku college ko chala kana means they are going to college. Now look at these sentences and we discuss them in detail. In the first sentence, uni Kolkataয় seno kana means she is going to Kolkata. Here, uni means she. Kolkata is a place name. We is the subject marker of uni. Sen means go. It is the principal verb root. O kana is an auxiliary verb. It denotes the present continuous tense. In the second sentence, unkin orakin ruar kana means they are returning home. Here, unkin means they, ora means the home. Kin is the subject marker, ruar means return, and kana means are. It is an auxiliary verb and it denotes the present continuous tense. In the third sentence, berai raka kana means the sun is rising. Here, bera means the sun. We is the third person singular number subject marker of bera. Raka means rise and kana means is. It is an auxiliary verb and it denotes the present continuous tense. In the fourth sentence, unku college ko chala kana means they are going to college. Here, unku means they. College means college. Ko is the subject marker and chala kana means are going. It is an auxiliary verb that denotes the present continuous tense. Now we learn the usage of tahe kana as the principal verb in the following sentences. Alaya gadi tahe kana means we had a car. Unku kisar ko tahe kana means they were rich. Ale majhile tahe kana means we were maji. In mache in tahe kana means I was a teacher. Now look at these sentences and we discuss them in detail. In the first sentence, alaya gadi tahe kana means we had a car. Here, alaya means we. It is in possessive form. You know that ale means we. Gadi means car. Tahe kana means had. It is the principal verb. In the second sentence, unku kisar ko tahe kana means they were rich. Here, unku means they. Kisar means rich. Ko is the subject marker and tahe kana means where. It is the principal verb. In the third sentence, ale majhi le tahe kana means we were majhi. Here, ale means we. Majhi means majhi. Le is the subject marker and tahe kana means where. It is the principal verb. In the fourth sentence, in machet in tahe kana means I was a teacher. Here, in means I. Machet means teacher. In is the subject marker and tahe kana means was. It is the principal verb. Now we discuss the auxiliary verb tahe kan. It is generally used after the main verb. It denotes the indefinite imperfect. It refers to an incomplete action in the past and an action still being performed at the time referred to. Here are some usage of tahe kan in the sentences. Ini ole tahe kana means I was writing. Alang lang jome tahe kana means we too were eating. Abin bin japide tahe kana means you two were sleeping. Unkin kin kamiye tahe kana means they two were working. Now look at the set of sentences above. In the past sentence, Inying ole tahe kana means I was writing. Here, inying word is formed by adding in to the in. In means I. And the second in is the first person singular number marker. The next word all means right. And e tahe kana is a past continuous tense marker. Now look at the second sentence attentively. Alang lang jome tahe kana means we two were eating. Here alang means we two inclusive. That means the speaker and the listener are included. Lang is the short form of alang. According to Santali grammar, the subject marker is added to the word immediately preceding the main verb. In the above sentence, jom is the main verb and alang is the subject. So, the subject marker lang is used immediately after the subject. The next word, e tahe kana, is a past continuous tense marker. Now we will discuss the third sentence. Abin bin japide tahe kana means you two were sleeping. Here abin is the subject in the sentence and it means you two. Bin is the short form of abin and it is placed immediately after the subject. The next word japit means sleep and e tahe kana is a past continuous tense marker. Similarly, we may discuss the fourth sentence for our perfection. Now, sentence is unkin kin kamiye tahe kana means they two were working. Here, unkin means they two. It is the subject and kin is the subject marker. Kami means work. It is the main verb form. U is a glide that appears for combining of e plus a. And e tahe kana is the past continuous tense marker. Now look at the negative sentence pattern with the auxiliary verb kan, tahe, kan. See the examples of the following. Aling, bangling, padha kan, tahe kana means we two were not reading. Abo bangbo ene kan tahe kana means we were not dancing. Ape bang pe siye kan tahe kana means you were not plowing. Unku tamak bang ko ruye kan tahe kana means they were not playing drum. Before concluding our lessons, we will discuss the negative sentence pattern with the auxiliary verb. Look at the first sentence. Aling, bangling, padha kan, tahe kana means we too were not reading. Here, aling means we. It is used as a subject. It is a first person dual number exclusive. Bang is the negative marker. Ling is the subject marker. Padha means read. It is the main verb. And kan, tahe, kana is a past continuous tense marker. Take the second sentence. Abo bangbo ene kan tahe kana means we were not dancing. Here abo means we. It is a first person plural number inclusive. Bang is the negative marker in the sentence. Generally, the word bang is used before the main verb, adding a subject marker. So, bang bo is formed. Ene means dance. It is the main verb in the sentence. And kan tahe kana is a past continuous tense marker. Now we will discuss the third sentence. Ape bang pe siye kan tahe kana means you were not plowing. Here ape means you. It is the second person plural number. Bang is a negative marker and pe is the short form of ape and it is also a subject marker. Si means plow. It is the principal verb in the sentence. We is a glide that appears for combining of e plus a and a kan tahe kana is the past continuous tense marker as well as an auxiliary verb. Now look at the fourth sentence attentively. Unku tamak bangko ruye kan tahe kana means they were not playing drum. Here unku means they. It refers to a third person plural number of distant. The next word tamak means kettle drum and bang is the negative form in the sentence. Ko is the short form of unku which is a subject marker. Ru means play of instrument. It is the principal verb in the sentence. We is a glide that appears for the combining of u plus a and et kan tahe kana is a past continuous tense marker. So, learner, we have come to the end of today's lesson. We will meet again in the next lesson with a new, interesting and insightful lesson. Till then, keep learning and practicing. Thank you.